Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another mini pick a card reading for you today, and we are looking into for the singles, okay, what's the next in love, what's coming your way. So we're going to look into these cards and see what messages wants to come out, okay? So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family, okay? Now get nice and comfortable as we gather these intuitive gems, okay? Now, Wagwan, you ask? Wagwan is Jamaican Patois. It simply means what's going on, what's happening. So that's what we're going to look into today, okay? Now, if you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage, put it in the comments as well, or let us know, what messages are resonating, and only take what resonate and leave the rest, okay? Right, so we have pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So go to the number that's calling you. And before we begin, okay, we are going to do a quick gratitude, okay? Right, so thank you, universe, thank you, spirit guides, thank you, guardian angels, thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we are about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective, and so that they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, get comfy, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Get a nice cup of tea or some water if you do have. Okay, I've got some coffee and water today. Let us know what you're sipping on, and I'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan generals. So we have pile 1. Let's have a look and see what messages want to come out for you singles, okay? What's next in love, what's coming your way. So let's have a look. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. Alright, for these mini pick a card readings, let's have a look and see Wagwan. Okay, so for singles, what's coming your way? Ooh, oy, 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 oy. These intuitive gems are here. Now with the Hierophant, I see for you singles, okay, I get this strong energy of, wanting to, really wanting to kind of take that time to work on yourself and manifest a love that's, a love that is like, I'm getting an image of like single ladies, a ring, okay? I'm getting a strong energy of a ring, okay? So I feel like the next relationship, serious relationship, is definitely of a commitment of, I feel like it's kind of like this energy of I'm coming serious. I'm coming at you in a serious way, in a serious matter. This is what I really want, I feel like this is the type of energy that I'm getting. Like, the only type of relationship I want is something that's going to be serious, that's going to be long term, that's going to be committed. And I feel like collective, if you've chose this pile, if you chose pile 1, this is the energy that's coming your way, okay? All right, so we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell us regarding the singles. What's next in love, what's coming your way, what's the additional message we can learn. Right, so we have keep back your mouth, keep back your mouth, keep back your mouth, keep back your mouth. This simply means keep back your mouth. So I feel like it's kind of a message as well, for you collective, for you singles. Only focus on what you want to manifest. Only focus on what you want to manifest. Do you hear that? Listen carefully. Only focus on what you want to manifest when it comes to love. Keep things to yourself. Move in silence and trust it. And I feel like this is a strong energy of, really focus on what you want and it will come. Sometimes things does work in divine's timing, but I feel like it's a strong energy that if you keep tapping into working on yourself, getting yourself from head to toe feeling good, being a hot girl summer all day, all weekend, all month, all seasons, all year, really loving on yourself, pouring that love energy and looking after yourself, writing it down, creating a vision board, of your life and what you want to bring into your life and manifest. All I can see is great abundance coming your way. All right, so we are going to bring in a quick angel message. Let's have a look and see what the angel message wants to tell the singles and what's next to love, what's coming your way, as we have the Hierophant as well. Okay, so we have family. Yes, look at it. So family, this situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member, which we can help you to understand and heal in your mind and heart. So surround this person, yourself and the experience with calming blue light and many angels. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel peace. Now, I feel this could also be a message for you singles. If there are things that you may have seen and you might, maybe they have not been always the best examples of relationships, I feel like this message is saying to let go and to have a new outlook on commitment, relationships, and I feel like as well keeping back your mouth in terms of like whatever you look at, whatever you see when it comes to love and relationships, to have a positive mindset, to have a positive approach, and to believe that you deserve it. So I also feel like it's like a sense of knowing that you deserve to have and to be in a loving and healthy relationship. Okay, so we're going to just end this read quickly with a message from the good karma. What does pile 1 for the collective who chose pile 1 for singles? Okay, what do they need to see right now? Okay, what do they need to see right now? I feel like that wants to come out. Okay, so with the Two of Swords, yes, I feel like the Two of Swords in reverse is like really get clear on what it is that you want. Really get clear on your vision. Really take that time to visualize, I feel like it's also taking that time to really focus on the qualities, on what you want in your relationship, how how you feel, whether it's like your self-love is intact, unconditional love lives here. I deserve to be in a loving, nurturing relationship. I deserve to be in a loving and nurturing and committed relationship. I feel like tapping into that energy will really help you to manifest a relationship that is pure, that is real, okay, and genuine. And letting go of this kind of, with the Two of Swords energy of seeing things from the past or things not working out maybe from the past, and letting that navigate your future relationships. It's like we've got to let go of that, okay? So for the collective who chose pile 1, again, take the messages that resonate, okay? I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. So take what resonates and leave the rest. All right. Look good, feel good, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we have pile 2 for you singles. We're going to have a look and see Wagwan. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. All right, come and join the family. Let's see Wagwan. So we have the Three of Cups. Now I see what's coming your way, singles, is a love that will bring many abundance, opportunities and experiences for you. Now I feel like this is a good time for you to embrace these opportunities now. Okay, find opportunities in your current situation, in your current life situation, where you can enjoy moments and experiences of abundance. Okay, because I feel like the more you tap into that energy, the more you attract those energies towards you, especially when it comes to love, when it comes to relationship. But I feel like, I feel like also with the Three of Cups, I feel like your friends could also be a really, really good support mechanism at this time to really help you to, unravel any kind of past energies that could be holding you back at this time. I feel like your friends, your support systems can be really good to help you to, try new things, try explore, and as well as exploring new opportunities. But I'm getting a strong energy that perhaps going out with friends, going to new places may also open the doors for meeting somebody new. Okay, meeting somebody new that I feel like that is very like-minded, that someone you can have a good time with, enjoy getting to know them. And if you are wanting to find love, I feel like this love can also come from maybe you just working on yourself and taking that time to look after yourself. Do you, in terms of career, working on your money, getting all those things. And I feel like it will come. Okay, I feel like this is a strong energy that it will come, and you'll be so kind of like surprised because perhaps you're not even focused at that time. But I feel like that's what's going to happen. Okay, but I feel like a strong energy of really working on yourself and having a good time and relying on your support mechanisms. Okay, and enjoying a hot girl summer moments as well. Okay, I feel like will really help you to manifest more love in your life. Okay, so if you want love, I feel like this could be a really great way to manifest more love in your life. Okay, so we're going to look into the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell us. For pile 2. Okay, for singles, what's coming in love, what's next? Right, so we have member say, the walls have ears. Member say, okay, member say, the wall have ears. Member, okay, member say, the wall have ears. This simply means be careful who is listening. Be careful who is listening. Now, I feel like collective, okay, take what you take from that. But I feel like, there could be lots of opportunities to have fun. There could be lots of opportunities to try new things, explore new things. And I feel like you'll be able to experience these opportunities. And, I'm also getting take what you can manage, take what you can handle. Okay. Now take that if that resonates to you. Okay. But I feel like really enjoying spending and having a good time with family and friends could be a really good way to help you to see the love that's around you as well at this time. Okay, singles. Right, so we are going to pull out a angel message for you, singles. What's next in love? What's coming your way? So for the collective, you chose pile 2. What do they need to know right now? Shower of abundance. To heal your financial situation, first give us your worries concerning money. We will guide you in order to show you how to create and accept abundance. As we work together, your financial situation will heal as fast as you allow. Wow. So I feel like if there are any kind of issues around, maybe saying, well, I want to get myself together, I want to get my money in check, I want to do all these kind of things, I want to work on me, I feel like this angel message here is to remind you that, all of those things can be done, write it in a journal, visualize it, as well as visualize the type of love, the type of, you know, also showing that love to yourself. You know, sometimes I feel like we can be really good at showing love to others and not always showing that love back to ourselves. So, you know, I feel like it's also a message of giving any worries or to your guardian angels, writing it down, and taking that time to just write. Allow trust to kind of take form, to let things manifest and unfold for you. Okay, but I feel like also another clue could be this person that you may meet could be also like when you go out, maybe with friends or family, and it could be how you might meet this person as well. Right, so we're going to end this read with a clarifying message from the Good Karma Tarot. So for the collective, who chose, woo, that flew out. Now the Ace of Coins is here, so I feel with the Ace of Coins being here, this is somebody who is serious, but I feel like this is also an opportunity of, you know, letting you know that, you know, it's an abundance is coming your way. So I feel like really tap into that energy, really tap into this energy of believing in yourself, believing that you deserve it, believing that you're worthy of abundance and joy. This guardian angel message is here to remind you of that. Okay, so tap into that. And I feel like this person is someone that's coming your way who who has kind of done the work and does want to form and develop a loving and nurturing relationship where abundance is ever flowing. So I feel like if you really tap into that energy, you know, that let that manifest and unfold, visualize it, speak it into existence. Okay, all right. So to the collective who chose pile 2, I hope the messages are resonating. Okay, just take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go around here. Okay, this simply means that's how it goes around here. All right, but be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan Magenta Rose. So we have pile 3 for you singles. Let's have a look and see what's next in love, what's coming your way. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea. Come and join the Love and Light family. Alright, let's see Wagwan. Right, so we had several messages come out here, so let's have a look. Right, so for some of you singles, I feel like there's an energy of having to come out of this kind of mindset that, you know, that you are not worthy, or you probably have given up based on past experiences. Okay, and I feel like this is a reminder to say we need to let go of this lack mindset. We need to let go of this energy. Now, I feel like this can also be maybe someone from the past who may want to reach out to you singles. Okay, but I feel like with the 5 of Pentacles being here, I feel like it's kind of really trust your intuition and ask yourself if this is for your higher self, if this is, you know, if this is in line with you, if this is in line with your spirit, with your energy. Okay, if it results to making you feel like this energy, or if it has made you feel like this energy in the past, I feel like it has to, you know, it's something you could really got to ask yourself and trust your intuition on that. Okay, now I feel like there could also be, for you singles, I feel like there could be more than one person that could also come your way, and you may have to kind of decide, okay, who moves and grooves you, who really, you know, who really gravitates to you. And I feel like there might be some decisions that you may need to make, but I feel like this also could also be having to kind of adjust maybe your current life situation, your current experiences, because I feel like there might be also an energy of, I don't know if I'm interested in love right now, and I feel like there might be love interest coming your way, and it may challenge your way of thinking or your current lifestyle to see how you can accommodate and make time to getting to know somebody, okay? Because that whole process of getting to know someone, it's a process. It takes time. And I feel like for you, some of you singles, that is something that you may also have to bear in mind, okay? But I see with the Two of Wands that there is somebody that would, wants to open up their world, and this could also be you, but I feel like there's also somebody who will be having an interest in you, that wants to meet you halfway, that wants to come and see you, that wants to take the time to invest and get to know you, and enjoy. I'm getting the energy of enjoy long summer nights with you, enjoy getting to know you, enjoy having laughs, enjoy spending time with you. And I feel like for some of you singles, again, it's about, how you visualizing, you talking and seeing yourself, speaking in existence, that you are worthy of love, that you are deserving of conditional love, and you are deserving of a love that where your self-love is intact. Okay, and I feel like there's a strong energy here. Okay, if we look at the Two of Wands, okay, we can see that blossoming. Okay, and I feel like this person wants to blossom with you, this person wants to grow with you. Okay, all right, so we're gonna pull out a quick message from the Jamaican tarot, Jamaican proverbs. It is a bit like a Jamaican tarot for me. All right, let's see what message wants to come out of the Jamaican proverbs for you singles who chose pile 3. Ooh, okay. So we have more than one message, so we'll quickly go through them. We've got cockroach have no business in a foul fight. A cockroach have no business in a foul fight. So cockroaches have no business in a fight where there's fowls. So think of fowls as like birds, chickens, ducks, and all those kind of things. They have no business to being there. Okay, so don't get involved in things that don't concern you. Mind your business. So I feel like this is an important message for you at this time, whether it's got something to do with this Five of Pentacles, Two of Swords energy, if there are things that you have seen before, past relationships, and perhaps you might have been, I'm also kind of getting, been a supportive ear, or you've kind of taken on other people's business as your own. I feel like it's kind of saying you have got to let go of this, because this is kind of holding you back as well, okay, singles. And it could also be a way of not making time. This is what I feel like with the Two of Swords, not making time to accommodate for you to find love, or for you to make yourself open to love, okay? And I feel like this could also be something to do with maybe as I say, a poverty mindset, but I feel like it's like a poor mindset, or lack mindset. Let's say that's a lack mindset when it comes to how you see love, how you value love, how you deserve love, as well as how you may see love wrapped around your money and finances. I feel like some work could be may be needed here at this time. And I feel like, taking that time to write down any worries down, visualize the type of love that you deserve, a love that is intact, in line with your self-love, okay? Right, and we have an empty barrel make the most noise, okay? Empty barrel make the most noise. So this simply means an empty barrel, okay? Think of an empty barrel, okay, will make the most noise because it's so hollow, there's nothing going on in there, okay? So that can result to again, that lack energy, lack energy, self-confidence, self-sabotage, okay? So think of that when that regarding, I'm getting this is the strong energy of the Five of Pentacles, and we need to drop that, we need to let go of that, singles, okay? All right, so let's pull out a message from the angel oracle. Let's see what's come out for you singles. For the collective who chose pile 3, what do they need to see right now? Whoa, this is a similar message to, I believe it was pile 2. Again, shower of abundance to heal your financial situation. First, give us your worries concerning money, and we will guide you in order to show you how to create and accept abundance. As we work together, your financial situation will heal as fast as you allow. So I feel like there's a strong energy around love and money, having kind of like seeing love and money as a union. And I feel like this message from your guardian angels is wanting you to write down those worries, give those worries, and it could be something like you say, guardian angels, take these, help me to release these worries that I have around love and money, or having my finances impacted in regarding to my loving relationship or things like that. I feel like it, give those worries to your guardian angels so they can deal with it, okay, and help you deal with it, or as well as giving it to source. I'm gonna just pull out one more message. I feel intuitively drawn to pull out one more message because there was 3 cards here. I feel like there's more than one message for the collective. Ooh, whoa, look at this. Yes, so we've got energy work. Okay, we have innocence, we have life purpose, we have steady progress, notice the signs. Okay, so I feel like if you're seeing this, I feel like there's going to be signs and synchronicities here, so I'm not going to read them all, but I feel like notice the signs, steady progress, life purpose, energy work, and innocence. So I feel like there is a lot of messages here, collective, for you in terms of, like, I feel like there's a strong energy of working on yourself, taking that time to work on yourself and believe in you deserving of love. And I feel like it's kind of a message of you reminding yourself that you deserve love and you are worthy of love. Okay, so that can come to you, that can flow to you. Okay, so I feel like, especially with the energy work, that could really help you to tap into that energy. Okay, listening to meditations, listening to frequency music, okay, love frequency music, that can help you to heal and overcome any kind of feelings of or indecisiveness. Okay, right, so we're gonna quickly pull out a clarification message for the collective who chose pile 3. What you need to know for singles, what's next in love, what's coming your way. Can we have a I feel like that wants to come out. The 6 of Cups. Let's see what else wants to come out quickly. Okay, we have the 6 and the 7. The 6 and the 7. 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. 6 plus, yeah, sorry, the maths, I'm just trying to work out the maths again. So we've got 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 makes 12. Okay, but we've got 7. So that's 13. So that makes, if we, in numerology, we add that again. 1 plus 4. Sorry, 13. 1 plus 3. That makes 4. I hope my maths is right. But I feel like that's stability. That's an energy, a strong energy of stability. A strong energy of stability. So I feel like there could be something to do with seeing love as needed to be stable first. Okay? So collective, I feel like really tapping into that energy of working on oneself, loving on yourself, knowing that you deserve love. Okay, I feel like that will really help you, especially now moving into like to manifesting a love that's pure, a love that's real, a love that's genuine. Okay, is, you know, really tapping into that. And I feel like there could be some inner child going on here as well. So really tapping into that energy of deserving and knowing that you're worthy of love, I feel like will really help you on bringing and attracting a love that's right for you. All right, collective, I hope the messages are resonating. Take what resonates, okay, and leave the rest. I saw it, girl. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, and this simply means that's how it goes around here. I saw it go. So be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy. Okay, and stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.